In this video, I'll show you step by step how to add payment method of PayPal in Canva. So after you open up your Canva website like this, so go to your account and go to this profile. Go to settings. So under your settings, scroll to down in this option and then go to billing. So if you come to this billing, here is why it will ask you to add in your payment method. So if you scroll to down, if it is your first time adding your payment method on the Canva, so it will give you option for add payment method. So if you click on the button, from there it will give you two options. The first one for PayPal and the second one for credit card. So just choose for the PayPal and add in your PayPal details, and from there you should just click on save button. From there it will add your payment method as the PayPal. But because of me, I have already added my credit card. As you can see now, here is it now. That's why it's not giving me the option. So that's why now just click on the add payment method. From there to give you two options, the first one for PayPal and the second one for credit card. Just choose for the PayPal and continue with the process. And that's it, guys. Hope this video helps. Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.